Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a puppy. So let's get started. To draw this cute puppy, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. Then I'm going to come across a little bit wide, so let's say about right here. And we're not making the eyes too big. Draw another circle. And let's see, make it a little bit bigger so it can match the other side. And so now that we have the eyes in, they're kind of small. So you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and just put a highlight right here and then shade everything else in instead of making them draw so cute eyes. So same thing over here. There. So now I need two eyes. Let's go ahead and come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve right on the sides that come down. And then we're going to come underneath the eye. I'm just going to lightly draw a curve coming down and touching the bottom of the eye. So same thing here. Just a soft curve. There. And then now that we have that, let's come in between the eyes. About right here, we're going to draw this big oval for a cute puppy nose. So say about this wide. And draw this oval. And then I'm going to come to the top and just put in this thinner oval and shade everything else in. There, it's coming together hopefully. So now that we have that nose in, let's come up underneath that nose and give our puppy a sweet, silly smile. So I'm going to come right about here and just go up and cap it off. Aww. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's start to frame the face. So let's see here. Let's come to the top of the eye. I'm going to come out just a little bit, maybe about right there. I'll give myself a point. And same thing about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve coming down to imagine this curve is coming down to create this cheek area. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve coming down to there. So same thing here. Soft curve coming down. So then now that we have that, this is coming through. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and pop out a bigger curve for the bottom of the face. And let's go ahead, go around. Just kind of trying to create this oval part down here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and bring this up. So we're going to come in a little bit as we go up. And let's see about right here. Just easier for my hand to come down. And I think that's about right there. I'm going to skip a little bit of space because about here is where we're going to put in the ears. So just skip a little bit of space and then go ahead and across to the other side, right about there. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So I'm going to come about right here and pop out these cute ears that come down to say about right here and then just tuck it in. So same thing on the other side. So let's say about right here. There, and tuck it in. Aww. There, so now we have our little puppy in. And so then let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm going to kind of have it at a side view. So I'm going to come out about here and the chest area about right here to create this shape. So both sides. And then let's come in. We're going to bring this part in. And this part's going to go out. And then about right there, I'm going to stop and say about right here, maybe right underneath the eye. I'm going to come out for the front paw. So let's say about here, and I'm going to pop this out for a big puppy paw. And then right about here. And connect. There, so one big puppy paw. And then since we're here, let's go ahead and finish this part. We'll round it off for the back and then just bring it in. And then we're going to end up a little bit higher and just tuck this slight curve in. And then right about here, just lightly put in a curve for the back foot. Maybe just 2 curves for some detail. So then on this side, let's go ahead and just tuck this in to simplify it. Right about here, and then the other paw. Let's pop this out. And bring it in. And then once again, let's, oh, not yet. Just put in 1, 2, and 3. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and just draw this cute little tail in the back. For our puppy. And last but not least, of course, we need to put a heart somewhere. So let's say about right here. Put in this little heart to make this our just so cute puppy. I really hope you love how this turned out, and I hope you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.